Getting a fill water tank alert on your Ninja Luxe Premier, even when the tank is full? Can't brew, steam, or dispense hot water because of it? This is usually caused by misalignment, air pockets, or sensor glitches. Here's how to clear that error and get brewing again. Step 1. Remove and reseat the tank. Take out the water tank and check for a snug, level fit when you slide it back in. If it's even slightly off, the machine might not detect it and show the alert. Step 2. Fill the tank to the max line. Even if it looks full, top it off completely. Sensors sometimes misread the level if it's right on the edge of minimum. Step 3. Gently tap out air bubbles. Lift and tilt the tank a few times while it's full. Trapped air near the sensor can block water flow and trigger false warnings. Step 4. Clean the tank connection area. Wipe the valve and contact points underneath the tank with a soft cloth. Debris or mineral buildup can stop the system from reading the tank properly. Step 5. Power cycle the machine. Unplug the unit for 60 seconds and plug it back in. This resets the internal sensors and often clears stuck water level alerts. Still seeing the message? There may be a sensor malfunction or valve issue. Links to Ninja support and the full owner's manual are in the description below if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.